Hey, hey, hey. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. All the comforts of home. And I got my little girl. Yeah. I got my little girl. We going camping. I'm gonna put that music on too, man. Yeah, we going camping. Got out too. You need me to put some in the air mattress, little girl? You gonna be comfortable, huh? Got our music. Yeah, we got our music. Okay. 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 Me and my little girl, oh, we got our mosquito shit. Excuse me for cursing, but got a mosquito trap. We good to go. Got some sweets. And your dog food? Yeah, we got your dog food. Yes, we do. Who the best little man in the whole, who the best little girl in the whole wide world? Yo, this is a nice ass fucking tent. Especially what I paid for that, oh shit. Oh, Amazon. Damn, if I stop cursing, I might be able to put this shit up there. Anyway, let me do this again without the curse words. We'll do one of them commercials. Hello, this is live. Oh, shucks, all finished.